Shit. My bad. Hey, to cisha wena.
Sabhizi nge-TikTok nomuntu.
So guys, I'm back again. Hey, we're back again with another video, another reaction, another banger. You know, the king. But before it's the king, it's your boy William Tiger.
And Midnight Crisis.
And yeah, Petu King. That's in banana.
Uvuso sase-security.
Almost agaga TV, you're cool.
Grand almost.
Starting welcome bagafete so bona ukuthi umuso ufambisa wane emoyeni hopeful. So let's hope you enjoy, guys. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. Join me ngamngani ukuthi Sangwa Sun TV. Be here forever and ever. Amen. So without further ado, let's get to it.
They won't give me I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe, but to pull them on.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Batumtimantu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase. Upotla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana. Couple switching phones mntanami. Barry, kidizemba mntanami. And we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi. Sifuna ukwenza sure. Tell it why phakathi mntanami. Hey yo South Africa, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a biblical mntanami. Another day, another tola, another banger. Sambe siyobabona. Wake? Take me to the Cabo. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. International kings, batumtimantu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase. Upotla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger and the CMTV. It's obvious you're in a Hey yo guys, King Ginger, cream de la cream, umlomo ungathethi imanga. Just want to say congratulations to uJumbo bafethu for winning a crown kuma Crown Awards. Congratulations my brother. Yakhumbula ukuthi ngathini kunini? Ngithi nasemsebenzini ngothandaza ngithi makabongwe uJesu. Nasemsebenzini ngothandaza ngithi makabongwe uJesu. Thank you Jumbo, thank you Baba wami. Big up to Jumbo bafethu and congratulations. And I'm a voter wakaStopi bafethu. Good for voting for him on Crown and make sure that you vote for him on top 10 Song of the Year. Sambeni. Njayami. Sanibona, kamba njani mfethu? Njani mfethu? Sho. Mamazi. Hello, njani? Shap. Show mina mfethu kamera nguJinger mfethu yabo. Yeah, mfethu kade.
Ayisibhendele le jacket.
Ade ngiloko nginibone nihamba kancane nihamba niyama. Bengithi ngibuze nje ukuthi ngabe are you guys dating?
Yeah, we dating.
Njayami. Lo bambale mama. Showcase. So mfethu ngibe ngibuza mfethu ama questions lana ukuthi abantu bayathandana. Are you guys dating njengoba nithi niyathandana mfethu? Senisikhathi singakanani?
2 years.
2 years? No, 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years dating. 2 years.
Ubani kamsister?
Tracy.
Njayami? Tsepo. Njani. So Tsepo, yini oyithanda ngo Tracy mfethu? Eyakwenza ukuthi uyeke wonke lama-cherry udecide ukujumpela ku-Tracy.
It's Tracy like
always
gives me the benefit of the doubt.
Sure.
You know, in this world we're living in, loyalty, infidelity, you know.
Power.
But then she's showing me something that I've never seen before. So
Njayami. Njayami, well said baba. Well said. Lo mchita ngathi usibhalile lespeech. Kade ulindile lo suku. Thank labantu bese. Mamas, what is it that you love about your guy?
What I love about him is he encourages me even if I'm feeling down.
Power
Every time when I'm about to give up, he says no. stand up. You know how to stand for yourself. Be
And
a woman
push.
that you are, and keep on going.
Power
So
to that.
That's what I love about her.
You know, guys.
We achieve too much jacket.
Guys, if we can support each other in Guma relationships like them, I think we can
Uma jacket.
because as you can see, I think we can even go further because as you can see, this starting in the right track, both of them, they're very, very, they love each other, they support each other. And I can tell you, mfethu, I've been meeting different people. Kodwa mfethu solo ukuthi abakhuluma ndaweni khuluma khona. I'm very, very happy, mfethu. I want to know from you, do you see a future kule relationship here?
Definitely, bro. Like, she has a dream that I'd like to help her fulfill. I got a dream that she'd like to help me fulfill. So
Yeah.
we definitely got the right track together.
Power
so,
to
yeah,
that.
definitely is a future. Yeah.
Power to that. When Swami, do you trust my brother?
Yeah,
I doubt.
yeah,
You do?
I do trust her.
Do you trust yourself?
Yeah, definitely.
So I want to know from you, do you have another guy that you are dating besides him?
No,
No.
No.
It's only him, right?
Yes.
Power to that. My brother, do you have anyone you're dating besides her?
She knows. She knows it's only her. in
It's
my
only
heart.
her, ne?
She knows.
Power to that. Njayami. Big up to that. So, Siswam, in a scale of 100, ungathi umthemba kangakanani ubhuti wami la?
ish 170.
Umutrust ka 70. 30% for
I write in the 70 myself.
disappointment.
Not disappointment, but it's still
Oh yeah, cheat.
upcoming.
Upcoming. Power to that. Njayami, in a scale of 100, umama
Ngazaba ama-chain.
umthemba kangakanani?
I trust her for 100%. I mean, it's been 2 years, dog. It's
Show
been
power
2
to
years
that.
together. So
Yena usadevelop.
she's still developing. I don't blame her, though. I don't
Iye chitayo le. Iye
I'm
chitayo.
Yeah.
blame her. Like, she's human after all, you know?
Anjayami. So wena Njayami, do you trust yourself?
Yeah, 100%.
Power to that. I like that. Uthandana naye kuphela akekho omunye umuntu uthandana naye ngithi.
Yeah, like, she knows. She knows.
Njayami. Bathi nasemsebenzini ngiyothandaza ngithi makabongwe. Guys, do you know that song? That is Chumbo. He's a gospel artist. It's from Durban. It's very, very simple.
Okay.
My man, I said this on another episode of mine. Ukuthi there's no gospel artist to trappa njengo Chumbo. Baba lalela umcheck kulokhuza ku Spotify. You know the guy?
Yeah.
Have you seen him performance yakhe?
I love the song When Nkosi Uyazi.
Nankosi uyazi. She knows.
to know that.
Power.
Leya iyazi le ngoma.
Yeah, next.
But so Siswami, uyamthanda ngithi my brother.
Yes,
Ngicela umtshele ukuthi uyamthanda.
I love you.
Cela umgaya yakhe vese.
You will never know.
Maybe it's the last hug. When Nankosi uyazi. Let me let you go, guys. God, thank you, but thank you so much for your time. But there's a thing that we do here. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. When I put them jongo buthi uyamthemba umuntu wakho 100%, and then I took 70%, and then when you are dating only her, not other girls, same applies to her. She's dating you, not other guys. So switching on my phone, and for 60 seconds, what's this check? Ukuthi my brother, uflexa nabo bani on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Besides her, same applies to you. So mangithi wena someone inkinga ngoba ujoli.
Yeah, ayinkinga ayikho.
Njayami.
I really want to see what's in that phone.
Tango!
Phone, like,
Power to that.
I'm not about to, date someone like this.
Power to that. Cela ungiphi phone before you date someone.
Ngathi lichiri yachitha le.
Someone like this. Come
Hayi nale out wena.
there phone. Can I have your phone, Sisi?
Oh, what's it called? The phone.
Yes.
Me, the phone. Give him the phone.
Kodwa ngithi yes.
Jacket. Sengiyakuthemba jacket.
Mosa. Brother, cela ungene la. You're right here. Right. It's about that time. Kapho switching phones mntanami.
sir.
Streets of Johannesburg soqala brother.
Yeah, brother.
Ile yakho Njayami.
Yeah, you live.
Awunjayami ungivulele.
Mina ngiyakuthemba awuthi.
But
Vula.
uyayibona le way.
Fethu.
Okay, sharp now.
Usumxhosa manje usubona le way. Bamba sesi. Tanga. All right, guys, we're on WhatsApp right now and we're about to type the Chandis. Type lapho I love you. Njayami, wena amantombazana akakushayeli njengoba usweginova kanjena mfethu.
It's obvious bangishela but you know.
Sister makuvela igama lakho ungitshele makuvela igama lenye intombazana ungitshele. Hayibo.
Banthabang manje.
Ngishilo ukuthi the out.
Banthabang.
Uthabanga nje igama lomfana kanti.
No, maka ungatshola uthabanga ukuthi I love you, I miss you. Bani lo mseva ngothabanga?
Ubani lo mfethu? Hayi uyamazi.
Usisondela futhi.
Uthabanga indaba ufuna ukubona into oyaziyo. Nakho uthi I love you kuyena. Ngena kwimedia sibone ukuthi umfana nomntombazane ende.
Mina bekuthembile.
Yabona Jila.
Ngena la ithombeni.
Ngile.
Maka intombazane.
Umsebenzi igama different abakubambile.
Faneleno. Indaba usebenze intombazane ngegama lomfana mfethu.
Ngathi ngiyabona mfethu.
Ngenze
Abakubambile.
yini? Nginimoshela ngani ukuthi uthandana namuntu mfethu? Ngikubuzile.
Amafoni manje Jinja.
Uthabanga upho uba yena. Okay, ubani igama lale cherry ke la ngempela ke besides le uthaba ngombhale ngayo.
Uthabanga mfili.
Hayibo.
Kade ngikubuza ngalo thabanga ngithi ubani thabanga? Uhlala uthi angishaye ebhoreni lo thabanga.
Taputhe sex.
Badlala ibhola.
Lapho sibona ukuthi uthabanga yabo. Hleze engekho kanjani awuthami. So lento
Bona ithabanga uyavela.
ikunike right ukuthi umchithele.
Manje ngizenzani?
Why bungamtsheli ukuthi uhleze angekho nisuthi decide ukuthola umunye umuntu?
We communicate.
Uthe wena ujoli nomunye umuntu ujola naye kuphela ngithi. Sisifeme wena sazoqhubeka ujole nalo njengoba bekwenza slim.
Ayokwenza uslima 2 years kade ngisebenza nje ngithi sisebenzela thina ukuthi sibuild the future. Yini lento eyenzayo manje?
Mawuhlezi ungekho mfethu.
Manje indaba ubungakhulumi naye.
Awukho dog. 3 months, nokushaya 3 months ungekho.
Manje awumtsheli ngani wena sisamo
Uyangifonele at least ubambe ifone ufonele.
Pick up on my calls but
Okay, Awuthami. Awuthami, what's your point? Yeah. Ipoint lakho ukuthi uhlale ngekho for all this time so decide ukuthi ubhebhe futhi.
I need a physical touch.
Okay, manje ubungamtsheli ngani ukuthi wena mfethu khona umuntu ekumele amsize ngoba uyena uhlale ngekho. Why ungakhulumi ngayo? Oh, uyakwazi lokho, ubukwazi lokho.
Hayi cha. Akangitshelanga nje yonke lenyaka ayithethayo nje like right now nje uzongihlangisa yazi.
Wazohlanyisa omunye umntana. Okay, wena sisamo sazoqhubeka nithanda nalo njengoba umuzwa lo ukuthi uthi wena uhlezi ungekho that's why decide ukuchithela.
Yo, yazi angazi ngizoyicabangisisa yonke le ndaba yazi.
Okay, it's fine. Let's go into a phone sibone.
Awuthami, wajaha ngalo.
Angithi sasibona yakhe ifone, yami ifone ngcono unginikeze
So wena
ifone
sister,
ihambe.
awuhambi indawo. Wena usamthanda kodwa noma wazi ukuthi uyachitha.
Ngiyamthanda nje kodwa.
So awunankinga njengoba uthabange sebambisene nawe niwu2 kuyena.
Sizoyikhuluma le ndaba. Le yami naye.
Awuthi uyazi.
Yethi suthu.
Hawu enuthuna kanjani kodwa uyizwe ngami. Imina phela ngisizile ukuthi uyibone le ndaba.
Hayi awusizanga nje uvela xaxa nje yonke into yazi umoshile nje. Umoshile.
Umnike ifone futhi.
My guy you ruined.
Ngirune yini ukuthi uyachitha?
Jinja best right Jinja.
Ungivulele ifone yami because sami.
Ayibone yami ifone.
Vula.
Vula lapho hawu. Hawu. Sicheke kwanto cha.
Bamba mfethu.
Kwanto. Hawu.
No, WhatsApp cela ume lapha. All right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now when we are about to tap the trend this tap lapho I love you. Wena sifami njengoba right nje abakushele nabafana. Awuthama kuvela igama lakho.
Ngamshela uyabaqoma.
Ngitshela makuvela igama lesifebe ungitshele. Njalo lenye out, sorry.
I love you sharp. Okay, yimlo Jinja. Yimlo Fere. Alright.
Anjayami. Siswami uyapi? Hawu.
Phumela tu
Yeah.
Jinja thumela.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Imalatu.
Phuma lapho ku I love you ngoba kuvela lutho. Type uthi I miss you ufake heart ebovu. Siswami nabakushayeleni abafana.
Bayangishela.
Uthini?
Oh, okay.
Yabona ukuthi njengomuntu okurelation.
Oh.
Ngicela igama.
Oh.
Igama awuthami.
Oh. Akusulo tebucho lo benhlezi ukuphuza ngani.
Awutebza ngwana.
Laba bebakhuzana.
Boy.
Makangithi nawe
Asitebucho.
Tebza ngwana ungasondeli awuthami ungasondeli entombazaneni awuthami. Tebza ngwana. Uyamazi utebucho uthi uyakudla.
Somebody not tebucho. That's all I know about. That I don't want him near you. I told you to stop talking to each other. Baba.
So wena awuthami uyamazi utebucho uthi bekudlela umuntu wakho.
Yebo utebucho mfethu siplome flat in one sonke la mfethu. Uploma by the second floor.
Manje
ngakubamba. Ngivale ngomzini.
wena ukhuluma notebucho ubuwazi kahle ukuthi akamfuni utebucho umchita wakho.
Hayi bengimbona ukuthi nje akanginikezi neattention nami engiyifunayo.
Why ubungakhulumi pho wena naye?
Why you cheater?
So manje udecide ukudeliver acha kuTebugo.
Awusacheatile fair so cheat khona in the
Ukwenza slim. uTebugo makakubona ukubiza ngenyoni. Yeah, uTebugo makakubona ukubiza ngenyoni.
La.
Awenze awuthami.
Iyafakele.
Intanga, spice.
Jwayela lo.
Uyangifonela awungifoneli utshela yonke into.
Tell utswayi phakathi.
uTebugo uyangitshela ukuthi uyangithanda wena when last did you tell me ukuthi uyangithanda ungitshele manje njengoba
Musishethile pha kwavela mina ukuthi ngiyayithandela lapha akuvela ngigama lami lapha amasimtshela kusamthanda
Velile.
and other guys that I don't know kanti yini inkinga yakho
physical akithi nawe ngifuna physical
inkinga yakho
ngimele ukutshele physically siwu2 what is a phone
Physical kanjani sister? Wena sister anti nifunani?
ungitshela ukuthi baby ngiyakuthanda unginikeze
Ufuna physically.
heart nyana ungenze ngifile
don't I touch
comfortable
you every time you're around
Aw.
don't I touch you every time you're around
Awuthami nawe uhlala ungekho ngapha nawe uyabandiswa ngapha.
I'm always present mina
Uthe 3 months wena kade
ngekho for 3 months she's the one who's always having
Kanti busy.
Gigzangi, she's an artist, she sings. So I let her go and go perform when she needs to perform. I let her
na
go.
sister
Bamperformance.
manje uperforma
number
no
one fan.
uperformela oTebugo. Why performela
this one? Lo number one fan yakhe.
Why performela uTebugo mara ungaperformela umunye? Yeah. Why wenza
Uzichayisa emoto.
kanje?
kade ngim-invite kuma-gig wami angenzela ama-excuse
Why?
imali ngisafunani
Wena.
kade ngisebenza ngenzela
So wena awuthami sazoqhubeka wena uthanda
Nawe uyacheata man, ungakwadi.
uphende nalo njengoba umbona lo ukuthi uperformela aboTebugo wena akakuperformeli.
Soze chinja.
Sure. Yeah vele.
Bawuthaba.
Sister when uthe
Yeah, vaya.
uzoyilungisa naye awuthami na iphone yakho mfethu vele ngidedele mina uhambe na iphone yakho nje yami wena sister wena uthe ngithi nisazoqhubeka ukhulume naye yena akasaqhubeki nix ukhuluma nawe uthi yena ufed up urights ngawe
makahamba uTebugo ungikhritha kamnandi uTebugo give me
Tebugo makabona le video awuthi hey wena.
everything I need kade angangifonela
Bangachekanga ifoni yechira no.
Bachekile.
3 months yonke ngenzeni ke yabanda it's June nje ayibo khatheni
Manje
Bachitile boyithula abantu.
manje abamganga ifoni yakhe back mawaqeda ukuthola.
ifoni yakho kanti kabali yafoni mfethu lesi phone wenge
How? Uthathe ifoni errong into ekutshela yona.
mfethu lesi phone ingane mfethu lesi phone ingane wena
How utshintshe umgayi ifoni errong.
Umgayi phone wrong.
Yeah.
hawu wena mfethu lethe le phone leyo
Mlande chinja.
How? Naba bomusa.
Ziyamvalela.
Naba bomusa.
Lock.
Sathi phone
Faka
mfethu let's phone let's phone ingane wena
Chiyangifuna hayi.
let's phone ingane look ngalinyazwa imoto siswami look
Enzani le
press
Relax wena.
How?
thambe wena
Tell ngawe nami
Ngiyasho ku-dog how.
parados
Mina
Phela
ngibona.
baqale ngayo bele bamgayi ifoni mabaceda so
Paradox.
bebacheke.
yellow uyaphi asambi nawe wena ho wena abantu sebefuna ngikhulume Afrikaans noma ngingafuni ngitshele ngathi angingeni le it's about that time it's going crazy it's going bananas pressele bondeni thina King change cream de la cream tana seconds bafethu vele yabheda nje le relationship wakhe
Same.
Baba moyeni wakhe.
Yo. Ayi cabanga leya. Why manje uzobaleka neche in efoni yabantu?
Like sefuna ukuyithengisa.
Cabanga. Hayi, how 50-50.
Mara bayachitha labantu
50-50.
boyi 50-50.
How wena ufihle ngothabanga ucabanga ukuthi bebanyeke
Kahle kuba kwahlukani kube nje bayichubela.
bayilungisa ne
Ngoba masima vele.
straight. Ngoba seniyazi ukuthi mos kuyafana.
Yeah, bafethu, thanks for watching. This is Midnight Crisis, you know.
William Tiger, obviously.
Senza Kwasani TV.
Subscribe, like, comment, share.
We'll come with new content, so share.
Try not to laugh.
Also have something new coming. But yeah, we have a lot coming. To just stay tuned and like, share, subscribe.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
we got you. We out.
They won't get me, pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars, and she sucking on my pipe, but to pull a man. Yeah. Baby, for no room, mega pawns. They won't get me, pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars, and she sucking on my pipe, but to pull a man. Yeah. Baby, for no room, mega pawns. They won't get me, pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars, and she sucking on my pipe, but to pull a man. Yeah. Baby, for no room, mega pawns. They won't get me, pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king.